Traders Brian here with A Plus Setups. It's Wednesday, June 3rd, 2026, and this is our live session recap for the day. All right, another great day in the live session room. We had 3 winners, no losers. So for the week, that puts us 11 winners and 1 loser. So again, the common theme is I am letting the bigger picture chart, my framework chart, tell me when to look for a trade. I am either looking for the divergence from the extreme using our triple focus indicator, or I'm using trendline breaks to let me know where my attack points will be. And I'm just looking for one trade in my own personal trading, one winner, and that's all I shoot for. So let's get started and look at the trades for today. Right off the bat, about 6 minutes in, we got treated to a triple focus divergence from the extreme. It's what we wait for, and we see that we got the A plus setup right here on the setup chart. So this is my big picture chart, and this is my setup chart. Over here is the flagship trading model with our 3 primary trade setups, black and white rules, all data driven, rules-based setups. The shallow pullback, the jiggle, the deep pullback, the reverse mullet, and the deepest pullback, the puncture trade. We just so happened for this setup here, our first setup after the triple focus divergence, we took the puncture trade. And you can see our software print the triangle right here, letting us know that the setup and entry is on par right there. Okay, nice scalp. And again, we're just trading in the demo account here with one contract. So we're just going to the first take profit level. In the 3 winners today, we got our funded accounts done, and we had a really big day in an eval that we were trading today. So, but anyway, that's beside the point. Let's take a look at the next trade, trade number 2, and lo and behold, we get another triple focus divergence from the extreme. We get the pullback, and what does that trade look like? It's the shallow pullback jiggle. So first trade we had was the deepest pullback, a puncture trade. Second trade setup we took was the jiggle trade. And again, we're just letting big picture say, hey, look for an attack point, and we just wait for one of our setups. All right, again, another clean scalp right there, and it was no heat at all. Trade number 3 was a trend line break. We had a clean break from the trend line, a pullback, and that pullback was again a jiggle. You can see I don't have the arrows not on the chart here because I have all the filters selected, and it will only show an arrow whenever all of the filters are in alignment with the jiggle. But this is a raw jiggle. We took the raw jiggle, enter, exit, clean scalp, and that was our 3rd trade for the day. All right, that is our trade recap. Hope this helps. This is how we tackle the markets every day in the NASDAQ. I simply wait for my break in structure, a triple focus divergence, and then I just look for the first A plus setup. I do not anticipate our setups ever changing going forward. The only thing that will ever change is how we define the environment to look for our attack points. Hey, hope everybody had a great day. Hope to see you in the room. Good luck with your trading. We'll see you in the next trade recap.